Hey there! Imagine a coffee farm where the soil's healthy, birds are chirping, and farmers are actually earning better income. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's exactly what regenerative coffee farming is doing in places like Kenya and Uganda. Instead of just farming the usual way with chemicals and tired soil, farmers are now teaming up with nature, planting shade trees with their coffee plants, using compost instead of fertilizers, and protecting the land like superheroes of sustainability. This isn't just good vibes. It boosts coffee yields by about 30%. And in Kenya, some farmers' incomes have nearly doubled. Plus, it's great for the planet, cutting millions of tons of greenhouse gases and helping soil soak up water better. But hey, changing old habits isn't easy, and many farmers need guidance and support to make this switch. That's where we at Farminaut come in. Using our satellite imagery and smart AI tools, we help farmers track their crop health in real time, get spot-on advice for watering and fertilizing, and even secure loans through verified data. Kind of like a digital farm buddy watching their back. We've already teamed up with over 200,000 farmers worldwide, making these tech tools simple and affordable, so small farmers can thrive just as much as the big guys. With our help, these coffee heroes can fight climate challenges, improve their livelihoods, and deliver that rich cup of coffee you love sustainably. So yeah, by mixing smart tech with nature's wisdom, regenerative coffee farming isn't just a trend. It's a game changer for farmers, communities, and the environment. One coffee bean, one farm, and one future at a time.